Hi, I'm Aaron, and in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how you can use this crumpled ball of paper to easily create more unique articles than an entire army of 37 expensive writers. Plus, you'll discover an insider secret for grabbing first page rankings on Google without ever spending another dollar on content. And I'll also tell you how something rather embarrassing had to happen to me before I figured out this unique approach that turned out to be, well, basically a license to print money. Deal? So before I tell you how this crumpled ball of paper holds the key to your first page rankings on Google, let me show you this. By using what I'm going to show you right now, I've gone from 0 to 7,000 daily visitors in just 34 days. A single website is now making me over $300 a day with AdSense alone. And I've built more than 1 million links on each of my websites. Of course, I wasn't always making such crazy passive income online. In fact, far from it. Back in 2011, I had this little website targeted at guitar players, and I was just barely scraping by. What was killing me is I was always in a desperate need of new and relevant articles. I needed all this top quality content for my website, and I also needed even more unique content to build all those backlinks to my website. So I was banging my head against the wall, trying desperately to come up with new stuff to write on boring things like guitar picks. And I still remember how staring at that blank page in front of me for hours made me want to scream. So I finally had enough of this torment. I decided I would just try to outsource all of the agonizing writing, only to end up spending all my money on this one writer who eventually produced a piece of garbage that I couldn't even use. So I still remember this as if it were yesterday. There I was sitting in the classroom. I was in my final year of college back then, thinking about how this crazy pursuit of unique content just bankrupted me, and honestly, I think I was so angry I was actually foaming at the mouth a little bit. And then at the exact moment when I was taking all my frustration on my notes, crumpling them into this shapeless ball of paper, I heard the professor mention something called the Emulated Natural Language, ENL for short, and as he told us what it was, it instantly rung a huge bell with me, and man, it changed my life in such a way that I still keep this crumpled ball of paper to this day. Now, ENL isn't as fancy as it may sound. It's simply a way for computers to understand the actual meaning of a piece of text, so they can do absolutely amazing things with it. So, fueled by my anger, at that very moment of complete frustration, I made a vow to myself that I would somehow pack this groundbreaking technology into a system that would allow people just like you and me to easily create unlimited top-quality content in seconds. Spin Rewriter is the first and only article spinning tool in the world that comes with the ENL semantic spinning technology packed right into it. It's what I've used to achieve all of the results I've shown you before, and it's going to make you finally experience these results for yourself as well. Let's dive right into what Spin Rewriter will do for you, and I'll keep this super easy. Take this simple sentence, for example. John can relax and read a book because his kids can book the vacation for him. Look, all it takes is one click, and Spin Rewriter automatically turns the sentence completely upside down while keeping it absolutely perfect. See how it took the word because from the middle of the sentence and put it at the very beginning? And still, this sentence is perfect in every way. Just one more click and it does the same thing with complex phrases. Notice how it knew that book belongs to reading when it changed this phrase here? What's more, just seconds later, Spin Rewriter also gives you perfect synonyms for every single word of your original sentence. And again, notice how it changed read a book into read a novel, while it changed book the vacation into make a reservation for the vacation, even though it was basically the same word, book. So within seconds, we get all these new options. Of course, this just looks like a huge wall of text, but let's try to generate new and unique sentences from the sentence we started with. After a simple click, we get our first new option. Considering his children are able to schedule the trip for him, John can easily flip through a novel and take a break. You can see that every single word has changed. Heck, even the structure of the sentence has changed. And still, this new sentence is perfect, and it tells you the exact same story. Another click of a button changes our original sentence into the second new option. Since John's children can easily set up the holiday for him, John is able to read a great book and rest. Again, the new sentence is perfect in every way and completely unique to boot. So when you throw any of your old articles into Spin Rewriter, this is what happens. You literally get billions of new options, and all of these new articles are absolutely unique and perfectly readable. They also pass Copyscape and can never be detected as duplicate content. This means you now have access to unlimited top quality content on tap, and with it, you can easily start dominating the first pages of Google today. Listen. Every week, I need roughly 370 unique articles to build links to my guitar website. I would need at least 37 expensive writers to write all this content for me every week. Instead, I just click one button and have all this top quality, unique content instantly created for me. Plus, Spin Rewriter takes all the content it creates and optimizes it for SEO automatically, which means this immensely powerful ENL semantic spinning technique is going to deliver great results for your business forever. Luckily, this also means no more worrying about the next Google update ever again. Look, this system will work for you even if you can't write your way out of a paper bag or have been struggling with your content since forever. Spin Rewriter really is as easy as it gets, and it's already helped over 30,000 internet marketers completely forget about how painful it used to be to create new and unique content. Now, you may be thinking that a proven and powerful system like this would cost a small fortune. And yeah, the normal off-the-shelf price of Spin Rewriter is $197 a year. Yet, you're not just receiving Spin Rewriter today, because we've just launched this new version. I also want to give you 2 amazing bonuses that will help you dominate the first pages of Google even faster. The first one is my proven 34 days from 0 to 7,000 daily visitors complete blueprint that is normally valued at $97 on its own. It will guide you by the hand for 34 straight days with detailed instructions for every single day. And it'll show you how to use your new unlimited unique content to easily grab those first page rankings and watch a ton of free traffic roll to your website. The second bonus you're getting today for free is a WordPress plugin called Blog Post Spinner, the only official plugin that brings the immense power of Spin Rewriter directly to your WordPress websites. Don't forget that you can now finally stop worrying about all those pesky Google updates, and you can see why Spin Rewriter has a retail value of $197 a year, even without these 2 awesome bonuses. Still, because we've just launched the new version, today you can still grab your very own copy with our incredible launch deal. Now this might shock you, but your total investment today is $0. Because I'm so confident about Spin Rewriter that I'm going to give you a no strings attached 5-day free trial. And even after your free trial, your total investment, including the Spin Rewriter and the bonuses you now see on the screen, valued at over $400 total, will be just $77. Listen, I really want you to try this one on me. So today, I'm giving you my ironclad triple guarantee. First, you don't have to pay even a single penny for the first 5 days of using Spin Rewriter. All the risk is on me. Second, even after the free trial, I'll gladly refund every penny of your investment for 30 full days if you're not completely blown away by this awesome system. And thirdly, even if it's something trivial, even if you don't like the colors of the buttons on your account, I'll give you a full refund. No hassles, no worries, and we'll part as friends no matter what. So look below this video right now and click on the orange button that says Start My Free Trial. When you sign up today, you'll secure not just your 5-day free trial, but also your full access to Spin Rewriter at today's crazy discounted price, plus both of your incredible bonuses. And I'll see you again on the inside, where I'll reveal your 3rd surprise bonus that everyone is raving about. So, do the smart thing and do it now. Take advantage of this limited time offer while you still can, and take the wise and savvy path to first page rankings on Google starting this minute. Simply click the orange button below this video, and I'll see you on the inside.